Imagine the universe. This site is amazing. Acquire quality data, they can use high-end equipment, affordable, premium data, premium location, premium equipment. Hello everyone, this is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor. If you are not subscribed to the channel, to subscribe now to don't lose any videos, and click on the ring to don't lose any notifications about new videos, lives, and other things. If you liked this video, give it a like. Thank you. Today we are gonna create some actions on Photoshop. Let's do it. Let's see here first. Let's select that. Let's create a new RGB. Let's rename B. G R. Okay, it's ready. This is the red file, the blue file, and the green file. You are gonna create an action. Let's do it. It's very simple. Just open Photoshop. Okay, it's opened. Now we are going to use actions. Windows, actions. Let's create a new one. Create action. Let's name RGB. RGBV, probably. Set Mundo Astronômico. Record. Let's see the size. 3326. Let's create a new 3326. Okay. Created new one. Let's select that and open on a new tab. Open. Oh, let's stop that. Stop. Delete. Let's create a new one. RGBV. Record. New. Okay. Go to the green. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Go to the red. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Go to the blue. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, it's done. Now we stop. And we have some actions. Let's not create this, and let's play the action. Play. I'm not going to do anything. Just click on play. Created. It's very simple. Very simple. And we can create another one. Let's create a new action 1. Okay, let's do levels, black, white, close, merge down, create a new one. this, merge down, create a copy of the background. Let me see here. Probably it's going to be here. Layer mask, reveal all, brush tool, select it, okay. Now going to use filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. Merge down. Let's crop. Let's go to filter, Topaz Labs, restyle. Where is it? Restyle. If you are not subscribed to Imagine the Universe, subscribe now. It's very cheap. You're going to have all data with the maximum quality. It's amazing. Imagine the Universe. Here. Okay. Now let's do filter, Topaz Labs, clarity. Go to HSL, saturation, red, magenta, and purple to 0. Hue, let's change. No, let's stay this. Okay. Amazing. Let's stop. Let's close. No. RGB, let's play. It will create a RGB. Action 1 will do everything. It will give you an error. Something was not right. Okay, it's processed. The image is finished very fast. We just had to create a action. Very simple. This was a first video. I'm making more fast videos because some people cannot watch 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So I'm making smaller videos. If you are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel now. Click on the ring and give this video a like if you like it. Thank you guys. This is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor.